Quantum processors news. This week, the field of quantum computing is constantly evolving, and this week was no exception. Here are some of the latest news headlines. Google announced that it has developed a new quantum processor called Bristlecone. Bristlecone has 72 qubits, which is more than double the number of qubits in Google's previous quantum processor, Sycamore. IBM also announced that it has developed a new quantum processor called Eagle. Eagle has 127 qubits, which is the most qubits ever built in a single quantum processor. Intel announced that it has developed a new quantum processor called Tangle Lake. Tangle Lake is designed to be more scalable than previous quantum processors, making it easier to build larger and more powerful quantum computers. These developments are a sign of the rapid progress that is being made in the field of quantum computing. As quantum processors continue to become more powerful, they will have a transformative impact on a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, and artificial intelligence. Here are some of the specific applications that quantum computing could have in these industries. Healthcare. Quantum computers could be used to develop new drugs and treatments, as well as to diagnose diseases more accurately. Finance. Quantum computers could be used to develop new financial models and algorithms, as well as to automate financial transactions. Artificial intelligence. Quantum computers could be used to train more powerful artificial intelligence models, as well as to develop new artificial intelligence applications. The potential applications of quantum computing are vast, and it is likely that we will see many new and innovative uses for this technology in the years to come.